Want the latest tech from Best Buy without the immediate payment sticker shock? Let's dive into using Afterpay for your electronics and appliance hauls. First things first, you'll need to have an Afterpay account set up. If you don't have one, head to the Afterpay website or download their app and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Now, to use Afterpay at Best Buy, you have a couple of options. You can either use the Afterpay virtual card, or if Best Buy has integrated Afterpay directly at checkout online, you can select it there. For the virtual card method, open your Afterpay app and tap on the Shop tab. You'll see an option to create a virtual card. Input the amount you plan to spend at Best Buy, and Afterpay will generate a card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like a regular credit card. On the Best Buy website, proceed to checkout as usual. When you reach the payment section, select credit, debit card, and enter the details of your Afterpay virtual card. Easy as that. Once your purchase is complete, Afterpay will split your total into 4 equal installments. Your first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining payments automatically deducted every 2 weeks. You can easily manage your installments directly within the Afterpay app. You'll receive notifications before each payment is due, and you can even make manual payments if you prefer to pay off your purchase early. This flexibility makes budgeting for those bigger ticket items a breeze. So there you have it. Using Afterpay at Best Buy is a smart way to get the products you need today and spread the cost over time. Happy shopping!